Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the very first Pumpkin Metal Tutorials video. I'm Connor Duncan. The first video on this channel is going to be a tutorial of dial tones by As It Is. So let's jump right into the tutorial. The song is in drop D. Alright, I'm going to play the whole song first and then I'll do the tutorial, just so you can get a basic idea of what it sounds like, for those of you that have never heard of the song. Okay, so the first part is really simple. I don't know if I said this before, but this is actually a really easy song to play, and it's really fun to play. And it looks kind of hard to play if you watch the music video or if you've seen As It Is live play it, but really it's actually a really fucking easy song. Okay, so for the first part, what you want to do is you want to bar everything on the 5th fret with whatever finger feels comfortable. I use my first finger. So you want to strum all that. Should sound like that. And then you want to slide to the 7th fret and then play that. And then you want to slide to the 9th fret and play that. And then there's a pause, and then you want to play that again. And you want to play that 6 times, so it should sound like this. And then after you play that 6 times, you're going to want to palm mute the 5th fret like this. Or just play the 5th fret 3 times, so it should sound like this. You want to bar everything, by the way, and play it. And then you want to slide to the 7th fret again and play that twice. Yeah, you want to play that 3 times, I'm sorry. This is my first tutorial, so sorry if it sucks, guys. I promise my tutorials will be better in the future. But anyway, you want to play the 5th fret 3 times, barring everything. And then you want to palm mute to the 7th fret, so it should sound like this. And, so, yeah, it should sound like this. And then for the chorus, what you want to do is you want to play the 5th fret again 2 times. And then you don't want to fret anything for this part. You just want to play it. You just want to play all the strings again, so it should sound like this. You want to play that 4 times, so it should sound something like this. Or like this. Alright, so, and then you want to, when you get to the 7th fret, after playing this, you want to play the 7th fret twice. And then you want to palm mute and play the 9th fret 4 times. So it should sound something like this. Wait, I'm sorry. Really easy to play, and then you want to play that part 4 times. Because in the chorus part, it's 4 times, so it should sound like this. Wait, I'm sorry, hang on. And then, after you play the chorus, I'll play it really slowly so you guys can see it. By the way, guys, I'm really sorry this is such bad lighting. I promise I'll have better lighting in the future. It's just because this is my first video, so of course it's going to suck a little bit, but here we go. So I'll play the chorus again really slowly. And yeah, that's the chorus. And then when Ben starts singing Forget Me Like You Know You Want To, you don't want to play anything for the rhythm guitar part, for that entire part. So you just want to, okay, so, let me think for a second. After Patty sings the word ceiling, while you sleep alone or just stare up at your ceiling, that's the entire sentence in case anyone gets confused. There's going to be a piano part, so just don't play anything for that part. And then after the piano part, it should sound like... And then after, oh, so after the, you want to play the chorus part again, but you want to play it with pauses in between like this. And then you want to play the chorus normally again like this. I don't know what that was, I just felt like playing that. Well guys, that was my tutorial of dial tones that was my tutorial of dial tones by As It Is. If you guys enjoyed that cover and actually learned something from it, I'm really sorry if you didn't. This is my first tutorial, so I promise the tutorials will get better in the future. If you guys did learn something from this, though, and you guys were playing along and you learned the song easily like I did, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. My goal for now is 10 subscribers by October 10th. That would really mean a lot to me if you guys could help me with that. And comment down below what songs you want me to do tutorials and covers of in the future. I'm also going to do a Q&A, so there's going to be different playlists in my playlist section. It's going to be covers, a cover section, a tutorial section, a Q&A section, and an etc. section for like for like how-to guitar videos, not for covers, but or not for tutorials, but for like other stuff on guitar. Well, guys, that's all for now. Peace.